time for Titiro Māori action song or rhyme, and it's definitely a song about actions. So this is a good song to use if you also wanted to incorporate sign language into your story time. So we use New Zealand Sign Language in Aotearoa, New Zealand. So I won't incorporate the signs because that may not be what you use in your area, but I will use the vowels, which are e, e, o, u in Te Reo Māori. So our first one is Titiro, look, and then e to stand, e peke jump, e omo run, Hītoki hop. When you hop, try and do it with one foot and then the other. Always practice both sides. And then our vowels are e, o, u. E noho sit, e moi sleep, e oho wake, paki, clap, and Kōrero talk. So, are we ready? Oh, nearly. One thing, if you haven't done the Te Reo Māori song before, so you'll see things like e tu. The e at the beginning of a construction is to indicate that this is an order or a directive. So e tu, stand. Alright, so are we ready? Titiro, look, e to stand, e peke jump, and omo run, Hītoki hop, a e o u, e noho sit, e moi sleep, e oho wake, Paki clap, Kōrero talk, a e o u. Bye everyone, well done. We'll see you again soon. Ka kite anō.